In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow others to upload files to your Dropbox. This feature is incredibly handy for streamlining collaboration, whether you're working on projects with colleagues or collecting submissions like photos or documents from clients. Let's walk through the process so you can set this up effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Dropbox. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of the screen for the option labeled File Requests. This is the hub where you can manage all incoming files from others. Head over and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll find an option to create a new request. Click on New Request, and a prompt will appear asking you to title your request. Think of a descriptive title that clearly communicates what you're asking for. Consider what the uploader needs to know to select the right files to share with you. A clear title helps them get it right the first time. There's also an optional section where you can add a description. If the files you're requesting require any special instructions or context, this is the perfect spot to spell it all out. Taking the time to write a few lines here can guide your uploaders into doing exactly what you need them to do. Once you've got that set, you'll need to decide where you want the uploaded files to land in your Dropbox. Dropbox suggests a folder, but maybe you have a specific spot in mind. Look for the Change Folder option, give it a click, and choose the most fitting location from your existing folders. Now, with all these settings in place, it's time to confirm everything. Simply click the Create button. This action generates a unique link that you can share. This link is essential. It's the gateway for others to upload their files directly into your Dropbox. To share the request link, you have two options. The first is to simply copy the link. Look for a Copy Link button, and when you click this, you can paste it wherever you need. Whether that's in an email, a message app, or any other platform you use, it's a great way to reach many people at once if you're distributing widely. Alternatively, you can send the file request directly via email through Dropbox. Enter the email addresses of the folks you're asking for files from and click Share. Dropbox takes care of the rest by sending that file request email on your behalf. This is particularly convenient if you're aiming to reach just a few specific contacts. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily set up a way for others to upload files directly into your Dropbox. It's a seamless approach to gathering materials without the headache of juggling endless email attachments. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy collaborating.